Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Adabeke. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, why don't you join the family? Click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to know when I drop a new video. In today's video, you already know from the topic, just to consider before you send your child to that school. The right school for your child can make or mar his or her successful academic career. Parents want to send their kids to the best school, but how are you going to know which is the best for your child? If this seems like what you're interested in, why don't you keep watching? There are a plethora of schools. At almost every corner there is a school. Like it's a business right now. Almost everyone is opening school, no matter how small it is. You wonder which is best for my child. Very first thing you have to consider is location and proximity. Where is the school that I want to send my child to located? How far is it from the house? I guess you don't want to send your kids to school that you have to drive 3 hours to, 2 hours to, 1 hour to. Every morning your child must be very tired by the time they get to school, and you that is also driving will also be tired. Look out for schools that are close to you. The world is not getting safe anymore, and you would want to send your kids to school that you can easily go to at any time that there is an emergency. Second one will be ask questions, referrals. Ask parents of students in that school. Parent A may like it, parent B may not like it, parent C may like it, parent D may like it. So you are going to get different answers, but always go with the one they are comfortable with. When you're done asking parents questions, you need to ask the students questions. That's the students that go to that school. They are the ones that know what happens within the 4 walls of the school. They may be young, but trust me, they're going to give you answers that you will appreciate. Ask them the things they love about their school, the things they love about their teachers, the things they love about their classroom. And not just ask one child and the child will say, Auntie, I don't like that school. Then you're done. You don't want to hear any other thing. Keep asking questions. Don't forget to ask the teachers in the school questions. If you have an opportunity to go and meet the management, ask them questions. Teachers and management will sugarcoat it though. They will make it to look all rosy and all glossy and all everything so that you will come because they want your money. When you're satisfied with the questions you have gotten from parents and students and teachers, the next thing you have to consider is the budget. Do you have the money? Do you have the cash? When you start going to school, they're going to give you a whole list of tuition, feeding, school supplies, this, that. But don't forget, there's still some rishi payments you make in school. Trust me, there are some small payments. When you're asking parents questions, don't forget to ask them questions about all those rishi payments in school. Remember that schools are 3 times in a year, and that 3 times you are going to pay school fees 3 times. It's a school that costs like 2 million naira or 1 million naira. Can you afford that in a year? Not when you send your child to this school one time. By the 3rd term, you don't have money again. You now go back to another school. That's not advisable. I'm comfortable with it. I can pay their fees. Then you relax. Don't because your friend is going to your friend's kids are in this school, everything the school is perfect, so everything is close to my house is perfect, everybody say it's good, but you can't afford it and you're still sending your child to that school. How? Do you want to be in debt because you want to train your child? Please, that's not the best thing, because you will develop hypertension. Look at the terms and conditions that come with that school. Now you have to look at the mission and the vision of that school. What are their principles? What are their objectives? What do they see themselves in the next few years? And everything you need to know about the school. Do not skip any part, because the part you will skip may be something that will be very important to you. Find out about their school facilities and services. These days I see schools that do not have playground. Like, I don't understand. How will you send your child to a school without a playground? So they will sit in the class from morning till school over. Visit their computer room, their science lab, their music room. Visit all those facilities. Like, see what they have. Now people are learning practical work. Make sure that those schools have those facilities. But make sure that wherever you go, you see that your child has a chair and a table and a board to learn. There's some schools you go to, they will take pictures outside, but the time you go into the classroom, it's a mess. Know what is inside the school. This is actually very allowed. You can't tell me because I'm sending my child to this school, I can't visit the school. Like, pay a visit to that school. Go through everything in the school. Even look at the lavatory. Like, these days, some schools, the toilet, they are so messed up. And when kids come back, they'll be like, Mommy, my bum bum is scratching me. My this one is scratching me. I did not clean my bum bum in the school. I didn't wash my hands. Visit the lavatories of those schools. The thing you need to consider is check the test scores of this school. Schools go for external exams like common entrance, junior WAEC, senior WAEC. They take all those external exams. Look at the test scores. These schools actually do well in an external exam? They may be getting first position internally, but when they go out with other people, what is their test score? Are they above 50 or are they below 50? Then another thing I will always advise is that go for schools that teach languages. Yes, languages, if it's foreign language or our local language. When I went to secondary school, my school was teaching Hausa and Yoruba. Yeah, the basic Yoruba and Hausa I know today is what I learned in secondary school. So it's advisable if you have schools that teach Spanish, German, French, consider those things as well. Another thing you have to consider is if this school offers bus services. This option is good because if imagine you finish doing everything and the schools do not have bus services, look at their buses if they are actually in good condition, so that then another thing you need to consider is feeding. Feed the kids, ask for the menu, you see what they feed your kids. If you're not comfortable with what they feed them, you can always request that my kid will bring their food to school. So consider the school's learning approach. How do they teach? What is the ratio of teacher to students? Consider all those things. Look, something that you're comfortable with, that's fine. Then by the time you examine and look at everything about the school internally, externally, and you're satisfied, I said, okay, I love the school, and you now have to trust your guts and say, yes, I'm satisfied that this school is the best for my child. This school is what my child needs. This school is going to help my child grow academically. You can free to go pay your school fees, register your child, and get going. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. To give this video a thumbs up if you're getting value from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.